A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research. PCE, professional, calibrated equipment.
I have here the EMF 823 from PCE. It is an electrosmog meter. With this I can measure electronic smog, what is all around us, in a frequency area of 30 to 300 Hertz. In this area at home we have 50 Hertz, in some countries 60 Hertz. Those fields which are there I can measure easily with this device. So how does it work? As you see, there are a few buttons. Switch on button is clear. Range button is the area switching we come that in a moment. Record button, with this I can record and save data and later minimum and maximum read. The hold button, if I have to measure something around 3 corners and I can't see the display, I just push the hold button and then I have this measured value in display and then further measure. Units is again the story from we measure normally from the SG method, or what is given here it is Tesla. In this case micro Tesla. And I can switch over to Gauss. And what do we have here at the bottom? Backlight. The backlighting I can show you. It is so when in daylight. And so it is under the sofa when you call around in the cellar. And as I can show, that is very good. So what do we do with it? Look, I have a power strip laid here. I'll put the device next to it. As long as I move it, cut field lines. It shows something, and here in the studio we have plenty of rubbish flying around. I'll just show you when it calms down. The power strip is turned on at the moment. I'll just turn it off. There is an impulse because fields are built up or down. I'll turn it back on. It is clear we have so much interference here, but it is minimal. Nothing large changes for the moment. And then it goes back. But it is from 20 microtesla to 2400 microtesla. 2.4 millitesla is the measuring area of this device. So now I have plugged in an old power adapter. Moment, it was turned off. And it measures all around us what is in the air. I'll just switch it back on. As you can see, it goes onto the overflow. Just see that I can get my range button and it has gone into the next area. So now you can see that I can measure this. Turn it off and back on. So that is a measuring device which I can, the normal rubbish what is around us and we cannot see, measure. There are a lot of people who are electrosensitive. I can't imagine if I don't know how it feels. Luckily I don't belong to this group. They can find out in their house which device makes the most electrical rubbish, makes electrical fields. So that is what it looks like. The PCE-EMF 823, which from 20 microtesla to 2.4 millitesla measures can, and is switchable in the display to Gauss.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.